It's here, it's here, it's here.
Hey guys, it's John and Morgan with Long Haul Lifesavers, and today we want to talk about RVing with dogs and some of the things we've purchased to help us along the way. What we have here today is the K9 Sport Sack Air Plus. And we got this for two reasons, because this can hold Quinn's weight because she does get pretty worn out if we do just a couple laps around the RV park. And the reason we got the plus means it comes with this extra bag, so you can detach it if you don't need to carry any extra treats or a water bowl or anything like that, and you're just going for a quick outing. You can take this off completely and use it as a separate bag. So we're going to go ahead and get her loaded up in this, and we're going to do a little walk around the park. Benny, you gonna get in your sack? Your papoose?
It's quite comical trying to put her in it. So it's got two front leg holes, so her legs ride on his shoulders. And then the base of it is solid so that she has a good spot to stand and when she gets in it, and then she actually sits down when she gets in. This is only her second time going into it, so she's not 100% trained on it yet.
This is like putting socks on a rooster. Okay, let's try this. Sorry. Little arm.
Honey, you have to put her back feet in first.
Well, I think it's easier to put her.
Okay, and then it has a little clip. It actually has a D-ring inside the top also, so that you can hook it to your dog's collar, just for some extra security. Okay, now the back end. The sides of the bag have mesh on them. The sides of the bag have mesh on them so that it's nice and breathable for her. So even though the bag is actually pretty heavy duty, it's still pretty airy for her.
And the zipper is guarded too, so it doesn't zip her hair up in it.
Right, and then that big black patch rack. So that is actually Velcro, so that you can have custom patches made, you know, with your dog's name or whatever you want to put on them. So, aw, they're giving kisses. Mia, she's okay, baby.
Look, Finn. You're ready for your stroll.
There you go. All right.
Her arm came out. There you go.
All right. She's got short arms, so they have a hard time sticking all the way out. The other thing too that's nice is, hold on, Mia, move your head. The armholes are nice and big, but they also kind of have like a cushion there so that it doesn't rub her little armpits.
Right on the front.
I bet she'd like that even more.
She licked my face the whole time.
Uh-huh. You need help? You got her. All right. One thing it does say when you watch like the product review is don't sling your dog around. So John did a pretty good job of keeping her on his body. The shoulder pads are cushioned. There you go, Queenie. Oh, and it does have a chest clamp. Quinn, you ready? You ready to go out?
You can pause.
They're right there on your back. Here, turn around. Yeah. Hi, Quinn. So the little backpack has support here and here. So before you put them on your back, you actually tighten that down to make sure, so that's kind of back support for them. Especially with corgis or wiener dogs, you know, they have really long backs, so they end up with back issues. So she's nice and supported in there and really content. She's just looking around.
It's like a swaddle blanket.
Yeah, she's seriously the easiest dog. She would just let you do anything to her. Takes at least 5 laps before she starts to like calm down, and then she walks really well on a leash. But by the time we do 5 laps, Quinn is exhausted. So that's why we have the backpack now, so that we can walk Mia a whole bunch of laps, and then Quinn can ride along.
I don't know if you can see, but we got a double-ended leash, but it's nice because Morgan can wrap the one end around her and then attach it to the O-ring.
And then this is the handle, so that way when I'm walking
Mia's a polar.
Yeah, but when I'm walking both dogs, I can hook them both to the same leash. So I always have at least one hand open.
And again. And again. You see people?
I'm not shooting you. It's Sophie. She's smiling.
Yes, she is smiling. This is your first real walk, Quinn, isn't it? Are you smiling?
I tell you, it's a workout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're lugging 40 pounds around.
Yeah, she's.
How's it feeling?
If she shifts around quite a bit, it hurts.
Oh, really?
But if she stays still,
It's not
it's
bad.
good.
He's like, my friends live there. Okay, you tingle. Let's go.
Look at these clouds. This is the highway we're so annoyed with because it's so loud all the freaking time.
Another pet peeve.
Pick up your dog poop.
Yeah.
Quinn, you are heavy. You're a chunk, chica.
He's smiling. Quinn, what you think? Quinn again. I love it. Mia, you like this? That your sister's not pulling you the other way? Yeah, we'll let Quinn have a couple laps too.
Energy.
Now that Mia's calmed down.
Okay, so we are going to go take this off and get Quinn out, put her on the leash, and let her burn off some energy. Dogs have been cooped up for a little bit, so we want to make sure she burns off her energy and loses some weight so it's easier to carry her in this. Jeez.
She's not overweight.
About to go on a diet, dog.
She's not overweight. She's thick.
Thick with 2 C's.
I can't wait to take her in stores. She'll love it. She's a people dog for sure.
Yeah, normally stores are too big for her to walk through.
Yeah,
She gets worn out halfway through and we have to put her in the cart and then her paws go through the holes in the shopping cart and it's... So this would be easier. For her at least. For me, it's going to wear me out. Maybe I'll lose weight too.
We need the groomers to open back up so bad.
Yeah, her nails are long.
So this is what we were talking about as a double leash. Friends! We travel with 3 of the Anime's adjustable exercise pens, 30 inches high, medium size. This allows us to customize a dog-friendly area at each campsite. Each section is made of 8 panels that can be configured in a variety of ways. Powder coated to resist rust, the panels fold flat for easy storage and transportation. When folded flat, it's 30 inches tall, 24 inches wide, and 3 inches deep. Easy access door with 2 slide locks. No tools needed to stand up, fold out, and clip panels together. So we just got done with our walk and Quinn did a really good job for that being her first time, you know, walking around outside with it in the Canine Sport Sac Air Plus. And all the products that we're going to talk about today, I will put links for in the description so you can check them out there. Again, we are not sponsored by any of these things, so this is unbiased, true, you know, what we use for RVing with dogs. This is super important. We got it at PetSmart, I think. It just unzips and it's got 2 water bowls that pop up. So you can either do, you know, food and water, or like we have 2 dogs. So when we stop traveling down the road, we just pop them both so that each girl has their water. And that was like $4 or something. Okay, so another important thing when living in an RV, you need to realize that mice or rats can easily get inside of an RV. So storing things like dog food or dog treats, you have to make sure that they're in containers. This big tote I have here, and it's got a pop top lid, but it seals, so all of their treats and bones and everything can fit in that, and keeps everything, 1, fresh, and 2, safe from mice, bugs, critters, all that type of stuff. I'll also show you the dog food container that we use. So we store their dog food down here, and then that way the scoop fits down in there. And it holds, how much does it hold?
50-pound bag.
It keeps everything safe from, like I said, the bugs and critters and all that. Okay, so we also bought the like the little dog bag holders, and I just like to show people that you can attach these to your More Ride solid steps, and they fold right in, so when you travel you don't have to undo anything, but that way you always have dog bags ready to go, you know, right when you bring them outside, they're right there to grab. So another really easy kind of hack that we found is just take a simple mixing bowl and then, you know, fill that for their water bowl outside, and it hooks right onto the fence so that the dogs can drink out of it and doesn't spill anywhere. So those are our hacks that we found for RVing with dogs. If you have any hacks, drop them in the comments and let us know.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Long Haul Lifesavers. See you guys.
Bye.